Yeah, can someone tell me how to change
I'm gonna
this?
be making a video about
Oh my
mining.
god!
Like I'm gonna be mining in the
Wait.
mine
Who
to
wants
find
this free volt hammer?
purple diamonds or something. Okay, let's go.
Who wants this?
Whee! I'm trying not to die because my money's getting wasted. Okay, so there's a big spider in here that I noticed. Yes, it's over there. I don't want to go. I need to go past the spider, but how? You guys can see it. What's the ugly spider? Oh wait, you're ugly. Hey, ugly spider with a big butt, come over here. Big butt spider, come over here. Oh, it doesn't. Oh no. Stay still. Look at it has. Ah! I have a chance to run. I don't know. Oh, it's chasing me. Ah, I died. Did you guys hear me scream? Okay,
I don't know.
For some reason I can't pick up. That is kind of weird. Bro, can I have something else I can't really pick up?
Okay, try it again.
Alright, yeah, thank you.
You're welcome, plunger.
I already died by the spider. Okay, now guys. Wait, that's someone right there. Hello? Hey, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Come. No, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Come. Can't see. Okay, can't see. Oh, it keeps coming up to me. Yeah. Oh, no. The spider keeps running at me.
You think the good? Can I please have that? He's about to do one.
Giveaway.
He's about
I'm gonna end the video right
It's
here.
a giveaway.
Please.
Don't scare me.